Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Today we celebrate the solemnity of the dedication of our Mother Church, the Manila Cathedral. And as it is a special day and also a solemnity, I wish to greet you and we greet each other a happy fiesta ulit. Happy fiesta po sa inyo. No? Kindly greet each other, happy fiesta. We are the living stones. We compose the living stones and the church of our Manila Cathedral. And as I wish to reflect about pilgrimage in today's homily, we first welcome our pilgrims who came all over to the Manila Cathedral joining us this morning. And they are from the La Consolacion College in Mendiola, Manila. Welcome po sa mga students and teachers ng La Consolacion College. Palakpakan po natin sila. Welcome po. As I've said, speaking about pilgrimage, let us talk about pilgrimage as we reflected this morning. St. John began today's gospel with the words, "Since the Passover of the Jews was near, Jesus went up to Jerusalem." The Passover forms the three of the known pilgrimage celebrations of the Jews. Isa ito sa mga tatlo sa mga paglalakbay, mga banal na paglalakbay ng mga Hudyo noong panahon ni Jesus. They all wish to go to Jerusalem, to the temple, to make a pilgrimage. It's an annual thing for Jesus as a pious Jew. Na taon-taon, ginagawa nilang itong banal na paglalakbay na ito. The temple and the Passover is but a precious thing for Jesus as a pious Jew. And come to think of it, my dear brothers and sisters, that even as Jesus did the pilgrimage all throughout his life, he was but faithful to the promise of God that He is God with us. God making also a pilgrimage with His people. Kasama niyang maglakbay ang mga tao sa kanyang buhay. Kadikit ng mga taong ito si Jesus sa kanilang kagustuhang ding maglakbay sa piling ng Diyos. And it is something worthwhile celebrating, my dear brothers and sisters, as we celebrate the solemnity of the dedication of our Mother Church. Isa po sa mga madalas na pag-iisip-isipan namin ni Monas, ng mga tao po natin dito, ng mga servants natin dito, wala naman pong constant o wala naman po kaming residential na mga tao ho dito. Karamihan po sa mga servants so namin, karamihan po sa inyo na mga nagsisimba dito are not from Intramuros. You came all over from Quezon City, from Cavite, from Novaliches, from provinces either. And for most of the time, even if you are from Intramuros or from outside Intramuros, every day you make a pilgrimage to the Manila Cathedral. But I do believe, my dear brothers and sisters, to the staff and servants of the Manila Cathedral here, you do not only make a pilgrimage, but remember, God called you to the pilgrimage. God makes the journey with you, and God meets you into this holy journey. Tinawag tayo ng Diyos, nakilakbay ang Diyos, at hinarap tayo ng Diyos sa engkwentrong ito. This has been the constant experience of the Jews. that they make the pilgrimage not only alone, not only with a family or a group, but God called them. God journeyed with them. God met them in this journey. At tandaan niyo po ito, mga minamahal na kapatid, na hindi lang pumunta, hindi dahil po, na kayo ay pupunta dito sa Manila Cathedral dahil maganda, dahil gusto natin, dahil first time natin dito, pero tiwala tayo, tinawag tayo ng Diyos pumarito. At sa araw-araw na tayo ay pumaparito, isa puso natin na kalakbay natin ang Diyos parito. Ginawang posible ng Diyos ang pagpunta nyo ho dito. I've been encountering a lot of pilgrims. You know, Father, wala kaming makuhang parking, pero nakakuha kami agad. Hirap po akong mamasahe, pero may nasabayan po ako papunta dito. Ang dami ko pong paghihirap, ang dami ko pong struggles papunta rito. Wala akong pamasahe, may sakit ako. Pero nakapunta po ako dito. At kapag ka naririto, salamat po dahil na-refresh kami, we encountered the Lord, we were able to celebrate the sacraments well, then thanks be to God. Because, my dear brothers and sisters, like the experience of the Jews with Jesus, in this pilgrimage, God called you, God journeys with you, and God meets you in this life.